Good morning, everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Shirley. I am a student of Indra Prasta Pegeri University. On this occasion, I would like to present and explain the material entitled "Leading a Healthy Life." Outline: what is healthy life? Second, case to leading a healthy life. Uh, Next, things that reduce heaviness, and simple ways to become heavier, and the last is conclusion. What is heavy life? A heavy life does not mean a life without problems. Every person faces difficulty, failure, sadness, and challenge. A happy person is someone who stays grateful, thinking positively, accept life, and keep moving forward even during hard times. True happiness comes from a peaceful heart, a healthy mind, good relationship, and gratitude. Keys to leading a happy life. The first is being grateful. The first case to happiness is gratitude. Sometimes people focus too much on what they do not have and forget to appreciate what they already have. In fact, we should be thankful for our health, our family, our friends, education, and opportunity in life. Gratitude makes our hearts calmer and help us avoid jealousy. For example, being thankful for good health, and being thankful for loving parents, and or simply being thankful for another day of life. People who are grateful find happiness more easily. Having a purpose in life. Happiness also comes from having goals and purpose. People who have goals usually become more motivated, more disciplined, and more confident. Life goals do not always need to be big. Simple goals can include the first is become a better person. Second is making parents proud. Next is success in education. And the last is helping others. Building good relationship. Humans cannot live alone. We need family, we need friends, and supportive people around us. Good relationship bring emotional support and happiness. We can build healthy relationship by respect others, listening careful, forgiving mistake, and helping one another. Sometimes happiness comes from simple moments like talking with family, laughing with friends, and or feeling appreciated by others. Okay, the third K of happy life. Taking care of physical and mental health. Health is an important part of happiness. We also need to manage stress properly by thinking positively, taking breaks, enjoy hobby, and the last is sharing problems with trust people. A healthy body and peaceful mind create a happy life. Okay, thinking positively. Positive thinking does not mean ignoring problems. It means believing that problems can be solved. Next is learning from failure. Then the last and staying optimistic about the future. Failure is a normal part of life. Even success people have experienced failure. That important thing is to stand up again and continue trying. Okay, the third material is about things that reduce happiness. There are several things that can make people unhappy. The first is everyone has a different journey in life. Too much comparison can make us feel insecure and dissatisfied. The second is overthinking. Thinking too much about negative things can create stress and society. Uh, Next is holding grudges. Keeping anger and hatred only hurts ourselves. Learning to forgive can make our heart feel lighter. And the last, negative environment. A toxic environment can influence our thoughts and emotions. Therefore, we should choose positive and supportive people around us. Okay, the last topic is simple ways to become happier. Here are some simple daily habits for a happier life. The first is smile for often. The second is practice gratitude every day. Next is help other people. Spend time with family. Reduce negative thinking. And take breaks from social media. Next, develop new skill, and the last, stay close to God. Happiness often comes from small things done sincerely. Okay, the last material is conclusion. In conclusion, a happy life is not about having a perfect life. True happiness comes from the first is gratitude. The second is positive thinking. Next is a healthy relationship, good health, and the last is meaningful goals. Life will always have challenges, but we can still choose to live positively and happy. Happiness is not about having everything, but appreciate everything we have. That is all my presentation about leading a happy life. I hope this presentation can inspire all of us to live happier and more meaningful lives. Thank you very much for your attention. Have a great day, everyone. Bye bye.